Okay, I am working on a project that involves some raw sapphires. So these are raw sapphires in here, and you can see that's vinegar. So I've got white vinegar and it's cleaning off. So these were sapphires that my husband and I mined in Montana. And so we're creating this project with these really cool, like these see-through things. And so right there, what's cool is these are really cool because you can either like set them like this so they can sit like this, or they've got these little stands where you sit them in the corner. And so once you press something in between it, it stays there, right? And so we're gonna do a design with the raw sapphires, and I wanted to add something to it. And so my husband had the idea of adding a 4-leaf clover. So I just moved this 4-leaf clover, but so that he had the idea of adding some 4-leaf clovers and some pressed flowers, because I have 2 friends and both of their birthstones are sapphires. And so my one friend, I wanted to do the 4-leaf clover for him, and my other friend, I'm going to do some pressed flowers for her. So she's going to have a design with a heart design with these, and my friend is going to have his initial. So that's what I'm doing with these, and they're pretty cool. These are cool. Check these out. They come like that. And when I first saw them, I was like, oh no, they don't look like a 4-leaf clover, but these separate. So there's like 5 on each of these. So you get a full like set of 24 or 25 of these guys. So it's a bunch of them here. So plenty to play with and plenty to do. And I just think it's a really cool thing to give somebody a 4-leaf clover. So you can make all kinds of stuff. You could do bookmarks with them. You could create, anything, laminate them, anything. So pretty cool.